Folks, St. Paul Steam and Machine here today. Here we have a Peake or a Peake number 2 little steam engine. This was sent to me by a gentleman named Don, and he wanted to see if I can't fix it and repair it. This inlet broke off. I can see it soldered on right there. And there's 3 soldering joints right near each other there, so that might be a challenge. I can see we have a wood shim in there, and it's also bottoming out on the bottom of the valve right here, so it's got a tight spot. And that wood shim is loose, and there's a lot of movement. This probably turns 20% before that valve even moves. You can see there's a lot of play there. So that'll affect the timing greatly too. So we've got to adjust that. We've got to get that pipe soldered back on there somehow. And then we'll see where we go from there. I will be back. See if we can make it a runner again. Catches right at the bottom. So that's bottoming out. Should be pretty smooth. All right, we'll be back.